Hello everyone, my name is Rajit Kausalya and my UID is 3036581. Today I am going to talk about my research topic, that is ethics in using drone technology for food delivery. First of all, I would like to talk about the background. Drones are like small planes that are controlled and operated by remotes, run on batteries. Drones are very popular among different industries nowadays, like agriculture industry, healthcare industry, and food delivery industry. Um, the main concern of this research is to find its effect and its advantages of using it in food delivery industry, and is it ethical to use this in food delivery industry is the main concern of this research. Now come to the purpose of the study. The purpose of this research is to identify the role that drone technology play in food delivery industry and to determine its image from ethical viewpoint and its effect on other delivery methods. Research questions and aim. The main research questions that I want to answer through this research is how ethical it is to use drone technology for food delivery purpose and how drone food delivery services are impacting other food delivery methods like rider delivery. The aim is to determine the various ways in which drone technology affect the delivery services from ethical viewpoint. Hypotheses that are generated for this research is the first one is to increase in the number of drone airport, increase the speed of drone delivery services of restaurants. Features like fast speed, cost effectiveness of drone delivery services increase its demand more than other delivery methods. Features like privacy, security of drone food delivery services attract more customers. Variables that are used for measurement are increase in number of drone airports, increase in speed of drones, and increase in number of drone airports is independent variable, and increase in speed of drone is dependent variable that depend upon this variable. Cost of drone is an independent variable, and increase in its demand is a dependent variable that depend upon the cost. The less the cost, the more its demand. The more the security and privacy, the more the number of customers that are willing to use this technology. Research paradigm and methodology. I use mixed method research methodology in which I'm using both quantitative and quantitative research methods because I want to get the answer of both open-end and closed-end questions as I want to explore this topic in depth and find the outcomes by doing some measurements that are possible by using quantitative method. And the questions what is the viewpoint of people about the drones? Is it ethical to use it or not? And the respondent may respond in the form of yes or no. And I also want to know why they think so. So for that I use quantitative method to answer the why questions. For qualitative research, I use focus groups and interviews as data collection methods, and for quantitative research, I will use experiments and surveys as a data collection methods. Come to the literature review. I read many articles to find the information about my research topic, as these articles act as a guide for me to conduct my further research on this topic, as there is no research that is conducted to find out the effect of drone technology in food delivery industry from ethical viewpoint. So I want to get the response whether it is ethical to use drone technology from the respondents that are participating in this research. As these articles that are I view to conduct this search is related to the comparison of food delivery services with other delivery methods, the effect of food delivery drone food delivery services on environment, and its effect on brand and customers' loyalty. Other considerations that are taken into concern are safety and security of personal data. Human emotions will not hurt during this research. No questions will be asked that are personal. No violation of privacy. Proper references are added for the article that I used for this research. Now come to the conclusion. This research will help to handle the ethical issues linked with the use of drone delivery services and also help to make these services more effective and efficient from ethical viewpoint. Some of the references of the article that I have read to conduct this research. Thank you so much for listening my presentation.